Okay. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. What? Say good morning. Say good morning. Okay. So, ito yung park in the middle of itong mga building na to. May park siyang maliit dyan. Ang cute. Ang cute ng mga building. Cute ba yun? Nice. So, ayan yung subway. Out, here, Ethan, here. Going out here. Kuya. What is that? Little Bangkok. Yan. Subway. Yan, paborito niya siya. Yan na. Pull, kuya. The small one only, like that, yeah. So what do you want, Ethan? Wow. Wow, good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Any cheese?
Yeah, cheese, that cheddar.
Can I get cheese? Yes, this one.
No, not that.
Please.
Do you have cheddar one?
This
Only
cheddar,
that.
mozzarella, American.
Yeah, you that one.
So same?
Yes. Are you happy?
Yes.
Happy? Happy. Tummy. Happy tummy, Ethan? Happy tummy. What? You want juice also? No, no chips. No chips, please. No chips. Wow.
Basic?
No. No. How about this Thousand Island or what? Which one is good? Oh yeah, for kids, he can eat.
Yeah. Sweet onion is nice. You like?
No.
No? Really?
Yeah, that's it.
No veggie?
No.
No cucumber also?
He don't like.
You don't like?
That's it.
That's it. That's it.
What's your good name?
What is your name?
Alex?
I am 7
Huh?
What is your name? Ethan.
Thank you.
Okay, you can sit down and eat. Sit down there. Hey, say thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Wait, you need to look at left and right. There, you can sit down there. Let's go. You can see, this is nice place. Look, behind this, ito po yung sa gitna ng ng 4 na building, 5 building here. So, ito po yung park nila, small, cute. And there's a Carrefour supermarket. There's a breakfast there. There's 80 and large. Ethan, here. Here. Left? Can you turn left? Oy, good morning. Good breakfast. Biryani. Aywa. Oh, this is what? Foodings, Carrefour, grocery. Ito po yung mga accommodation ng Emirates Airline crew. Ito po yung mga building. Ito puro Emirates po yan. Nakapalibot. Ayan. Tapos may meron silang maliit dito na Ethan, here, on the grass. You can sit down on the grass. Here. Here, you don't want to stay here? Are you happy with your breakfast? Wow, so delicious. The cat, hala, he will eat. Cat will eat your food.
That's mine.
Yes, cat don't eat. See, don't eat.
Don't eat.
Don't eat. Shh, shh. Cat. Don't sit down. Shh, ch- shh. Eat here. Sit down. He's afraid. This. Shh, shh. How many building here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 buildings. And they have small park here, which is very nice. Look at there's a football field, basketball area also. Nice. And it's quiet here. Oh, madam!